Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to transfer crypto from an Ethereum wallet to Cash App. This step-by-step guide is perfect for beginners who want to manage their crypto safely and efficiently. First, open the Cash App and go to the Bitcoin section from the main menu. This is where you'll start the deposit process. Next, tap on Deposit Bitcoin. If this is your first time, you'll need to verify your identity. This verification step ensures your account is secure and compliant with regulations. Once verified, you'll see a unique Bitcoin deposit address. Copy this address carefully. Accuracy is crucial to avoid losing your funds. Now, open your Ethereum wallet, such as Trust Wallet or MetaMask. This is where you'll prepare the crypto for sending. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. If it's not Bitcoin, use the wallet swap or conversion feature to convert it to Bitcoin, since Cash App only accepts Bitcoin deposits. Finally, paste the Cash App Bitcoin address into the recipient field in your wallet. Enter the amount you want to send and confirm the transaction. Your crypto will now be transferred to Cash App successfully.